Few trucks scream brute strength and unapologetic durability quite like the 1990 Mack RD800 Heavy Hauler, a true icon of American industrial muscle, built during an era when raw power and rugged capability matter. More than sleek design or digital dashboards, the Road 800 was Mack's answer to the most punishing demands in construction, mining, and extreme hauling operations. With its boxy, no-nonsense form, massive frame rails, and steel components built to endure the worst terrains imaginable, this beast wasn't just a truck, it was a moving fortress on wheels. Under the hood, the RD800 often came equipped with the formidable Mack E9 V8 diesel engine, a powerhouse that produced anywhere from 500 to 610 horsepower and upwards of 2,100 pounds-ft of torque. That torque was crucial for tasks like pulling multi-axle trailers loaded with equipment, aggregates, or even oversized infrastructure materials. In comparison to other trucks from that era like the Kenworth C500 or the Western Star 6900X, the RD800 held its ground with its integrated Mack powertrain philosophy, while others mixed and matched engines and transmissions from suppliers like Cummins, Detroit Diesel, or Eaton. Mack's vertically integrated approach allowed for better drivetrain, cohesion, and rugged reliability. Its high ground clearance, triple frame options, and tandem or tridem rear axles made it one of the most sought-after trucks in the logging, oilfield, and heavy equipment transport industries. The Road 800's steel cab and durable leaf spring suspension made it a champion in environments where plastic trims or air suspensions simply wouldn't last. The truck's sheer weight and drivetrain layout allowed for optimal traction and durability in off-road conditions that would stall or break lesser machines. Historically, the RD800 played a pivotal role in Mack's heavy haul reputation. While the brand had already made a name for itself with the B models in our series, the RD800 was like the final boss in the lineup build. When overkill wasn't just tolerated, but expected, it stood tall. During the 80s and 90s industrial boom, a time when infrastructure projects, pipeline expansions, and mega construction sites demanded a truck that wouldn't flinch at 200,000-pound loads. In the future, while the Road 800 itself won't return in its original steel-clad form, its legacy might guide the next generation of Mack's heavy-haul electric or hydrogen-powered platforms. As the trucking industry leans into zero-emission technologies, the philosophy behind the RD800 durability and purpose-built design could inspire a new breed of tough, emission-free work engineers for the 21st century job site.